If you're wondering how to get rid of cockroaches at home in a simple way, this trick is for you. For 3 years now, cockroaches have no longer been a problem in my home. Take a plastic bowl and add 2 generous tablespoons of brown sugar, which acts as a strong attractant with its scent. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which works effectively against cockroaches and helps eliminate the problem. Pour in a bit of oil to make the mixture sticky and more effective. The oil helps draw them in and keep them there. Mix everything thoroughly, and if it's too dry, add a little more oil so it stays moist. Transfer the mixture onto a plate and spread it evenly. Place it in the kitchen, especially where they appear most often. In the bathroom, put it near drains, pipes, or dark corners where they hide. It's a simple method that helps reduce their presence throughout your home. Place this on your countertop and cockroaches will quickly disappear. This is an incredibly effective method that has kept cockroaches out of my home for over 3 years. Start by preparing some charcoal, which, thanks to its dry and porous texture, absorbs odors very well. Use a grater to turn it into a fine powder. Then take a small glass bowl and add 1 tablespoon of the powdered charcoal. Now add a small teaspoon of sugar, whose sweet scent attracts insects. The next ingredient is baking soda, often used in homemade insect mixtures. Add 1 tablespoon to the bowl. The final ingredient is oil, which helps combine everything into a thick paste. And mix everything thoroughly until smooth. Now, prepare small containers, such as bottle caps. Place 1 spoonful of the mixture into each cap. You can place them next to the sink, where cockroaches often appear because of moisture and food leftovers. Kitchen cabinets, especially near walls and corners, are also great spots since insects tend to hide there. You can also place them in the bathroom near the shower or next to the toilet, as damp places strongly attract cockroaches. After a short time, you will notice a huge difference and far fewer unwanted insects in your home. Just a few drops, and you'll get rid of multiple problems. Prepare a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of sugar. It works as an excellent attractant. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which has neutralizing and expanding properties. Next, pour in some vinegar, well known for its cleaning and repelling effects. Finally, add dish soap to help distribute the mixture more effectively. Stir everything vigorously. See a syringe to apply the solution into window frames, especially in small gaps where unwanted guests might enter. Apply it around balcony windows as well to prevent cockroaches from getting inside. This natural method not only keeps insects away, but also works as a great drain cleaner. Just apply it and rinse with water. It's fast, effective, and chemical-free. One simple trick, multiple solutions in one. Cockroaches, moths, and ants will stay far away from your home. With this trick, they'll never show up, or you'll get rid of them quickly. This mixture has another amazing use, which you'll discover at the end. You only need 4 ingredients, and I'm sure you have them at home. If not, they are inexpensive and available in any store. Start by preparing a bowl. Pour in half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Add a few cloves. Just like vinegar, they have a strong scent that ants, moths, and cockroaches hate. Next, take a lime and peel it. The peel is what we need. If you don't have a lime, you can use a lemon instead. The last ingredient is alcohol. Add 2 teaspoons to the mixture. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, use a funnel to transfer the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it in areas where these insects tend to appear, such as the trash can and surrounding areas or pantry shelves. You can also spray it on plants affected by pests like thrips or whiteflies. No matter where you use it, the results will be fantastic. Scoop up the mixture and pour it into the corners of your home. The problem will disappear for good. Prepare a smaller bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of sugar, which acts as a bait. Next, add some baking soda, which when combined with moisture and other factors, triggers a chemical reaction that boosts the effectiveness of the entire mixture and makes it much more powerful. Now add a few pumps of dish soap, which helps the mixture stick better to surfaces and last longer. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then take a syringe and fill it with the prepared mixture. Apply it in the corners of your home. Spread the mixture especially near the sink, where there is access to water and food residue. Also apply it in the bathroom, in corners, near drains, and in damp crevices. This is one of the most effective home remedies for cockroaches that you can use right away. Sugar plays a key role here, acting as a bait that attracts insects to the mixture and increases its effectiveness. You'll never see a cockroach in your home again. Pour half a cup of water into a small container and add 3 pumps of dish soap. Add a little toothpaste and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well. Place this homemade mixture where you previously saw cockroaches. It will keep them far away. A brilliant way to reduce mosquitoes around your patio. I always prepare this simple trap before the evening starts. I hang it a few yards away from where we sit, and for the rest of the night, I can finally relax in peace. All you need is a regular plastic bottle. Cut it about 1/3 of the way down. Then trim the top part a little more to create a clear funnel shape. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the bottom. The sweet scent attracts mosquitoes because it reminds them of natural energy sources like flower nectar. Next, flip the top part of the bottle upside down and place it neck first into the bottom section to form a simple funnel. Use a heated soldering iron to make 2 small holes near the top of the bottle. Prepare a fairly long piece of string. Thread it through the holes and tie a loop so the trap can be hung easily. Then prepare the bait using a cheap hoppy drink, which releases a strong fermented smell that attracts mosquitoes. Pour it into the bottle. This combination creates a powerful scent that works like an odor trap and draws mosquitoes in from far away. Hang the finished bottle on a tree or fence a few yards away from where you are sitting. The sweet smell attracts mosquitoes very effectively, and once they fly inside, they can't escape. That way, you can enjoy your evening on the patio without annoying bites or mosquitoes buzzing around. Insert a bar of soap into a bun. Most people aren't aware of this method. It can solve many problems. But first, take a bar of soap and grate a small amount using a grater. The soap not only works as an antibacterial and disinfectant, but also as a repellent, making it the perfect base for this mixture. Next, add some toothpaste. The toothpaste makes the mixture stickier and helps it adhere longer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is key. It not only provides the right consistency, but also enhances the effects of the other ingredients. Mix everything well until the components are fully combined. Now, add small pieces of bun, which make the mixture even more appealing. Mix once more, then transfer the mixture onto jar lids. Place them in your food cupboard, where insects tend to appear. This will eliminate all kinds of pests. This solution works just as well in places like the drain or the entrance to your home. It's a simple, inexpensive, and extremely effective method that will completely solve your problem.